Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 ways to build credit from scratch. Building credit is like building a solid foundation for your financial future. But what if you're starting from zero? It can seem like a daunting task. It's all about knowing the right strategies and tools to use and using them wisely. Let's dive into our countdown. Starting at number 5, we have credit building tools. Now, what are these? They are innovative solutions like Experian Boost, designed specifically for those who are just setting out on their credit journey or looking to enhance their credit history. The brilliance of these tools lies in their simplicity. They allow you to get credit for paying your utility and streaming bills on time. Usually, these services do not report to credit bureaus, so they don't help you build credit, even though you are paying on time. Yes, it's as straightforward as that. By consistently paying your utility, phone, and streaming bills, which is something you're doing anyway, you're proving your reliability as a borrower and adding positive data to your credit report. The best part is these tools are user-friendly and easily accessible online. So you can start building your credit history from the comfort of your home, on your own time. Remember, every little bit counts when you're starting from zero, and these tools can give you a much-needed boost. Sliding into number 4, we have secured credit cards. Now, you might be wondering, what is a secured credit card? Essentially, it's a type of credit card that requires a security deposit. This deposit acts as a safety net for the lender and usually equals your credit limit. The beauty of a secured credit card is that it allows you to build or rebuild your credit history with responsible use. Just like a regular credit card, you can make purchases and pay off your balance monthly. The key difference is that if you fail to make payments, the lender can take your deposit. However, if you consistently make payments on time, this not only helps to build your credit, but also may lead to an increase in your credit limit without an additional deposit. But remember, the goal is to use the secured card to build good credit habits, not to carry a balance. The best way to do this is to make small purchases that you can pay off in full each month. This way you're showing lenders that you're a responsible borrower. So if you're serious about building your credit, a secured credit card could be a great place to start. Coming in at number 3, we have credit builder loans. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are these loans? Well, think of them as a tool that can help you build your credit history from scratch. Here's how they work. You apply for a loan, but instead of getting the money up front, it is held in a secured account. You then make monthly payments towards this loan, including interest. These payments are reported to the credit bureaus, and if made on time, can help you establish a solid payment history, a key factor in your credit score. It's like getting credit for saving money. The best part? Once you've paid off the loan, the money held in the secured account is released to you. Just remember, credit builder loans are not a quick fix. They require commitment and discipline. You need to make your loan payments consistently and on time every month. This is not just about building credit, but about establishing healthy financial habits. Remember, consistency is key when building credit, and credit builder loans can help establish that consistency. Almost at the top, our number 2 tip is to become an authorized user on someone else's credit card. This option is a low-risk way to dip your toes into the world of credit. When you become an authorized user, you can establish a credit history without the full responsibility of owning a credit card. But remember, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. This method requires a high level of trust. The primary cardholder's payment habits will directly affect your credit score. If they miss a payment, your credit score takes the hit. So, ensure that you and the primary cardholder understand the responsibilities involved. It's a partnership, after all. Also, know that you can start building credit as an authorized user even before the age of 18. How cool is that? But remember, this is a stepping stone, not the final destination. Becoming an authorized user can be a great stepping stone towards building your own credit. Before we reveal our top tip, take a moment to hit that subscribe button. This channel strives to empower you, giving you the tools for financial success. Don't miss out on our upcoming videos as we continue to unlock more secrets of personal finance. So go ahead, subscribe, and join our community. Now let's unveil our top tip on how to build credit with no credit history. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Our number 1 tip is to maintain a low credit utilization rate and make on-time payments. So, let's unpack this. Credit utilization rate refers to the portion of your available credit that you're using. For example, if you have a credit card with a limit of $1,000 and you've used $500, your credit utilization rate would be 50%. It's important to keep this rate as low as possible, ideally under 30%. Why is that? Because high utilization rates can signal to lenders that you may be at risk of overextending yourself financially. Now on to making payments on time. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's a habit that's crucial to building and maintaining your credit score. Every time you make a payment on time, it positively impacts your credit history. This history is a major factor in determining your credit score, so whether it's a credit card bill or a utility bill, make sure it's paid promptly. These two habits, maintaining a low credit utilization rate and making on-time payments, are key to building a healthy credit score. They show potential lenders that you're responsible with your credit and can manage your financial obligations effectively. Remember, building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. With patience, consistency, and the tips we've shared today, you'll be well on your way to a healthy credit score.